Hi, this is Margie Stachurski with Key Realty, and I'm out here in Pinehurst, Georgia, visiting some friends. I've got a 13-acre horse farm with an 8-stall barn with living quarters that feature 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a living room. 13 acres with lots of fenced pasture for the animals, gated entry, and a true farmhouse. So come and check us out. It's a beautiful property. I'd love to show it to you. 478-225-7252. And what horse property would be complete without an amazing barn? So let's go check it out together. In this property, we've got a fabulous farmhouse with the tallest stone fireplace I have ever seen. Here is the barn that features 8 stables. Up top, you will notice the living quarters, and there are 2 full bedrooms, 1 full bath, a living area. And we've got tons of storage, lots of room, hot water, washer and dryer, half bath, a great facility to bring your horses. Call me if you'd love to see it. 478-225-7252.